there are inputs like data, obviously the parameters. There's the idea that we need to be able to visualize the results. And when it comes to computational generative design, eventually AI in some ways, we always need, most people always need the result to be shown to them to say, yeah, I like that or not. I'm very much that way. Like when our software engineers say, oh, I get this thing built, I'm like, great, let me see it. Because until I see it, I can't really, it has to be real to me for me to be able to say, yeah, that's great, or no, let's make some changes. In generative design, if you're doing it in a cloud-based environment, when there's a problem, like, hey, this is a potential RFI, wouldn't it be nice to be able to say, let's see 10 other options of how we could do that more efficiently to whatever result we wanted to get, right? We want more sunlight in this area, less sunlight. We want a higher R value, a lower R value. I don't know why you do that, but whatever the result is, what if we could put those inputs in our actual model and say, give me 10 design options, and then let the team go, okay, I like 3 and 6 and 7. I don't like the rest. Okay, let's iterate off those. Why do we like those? And it doesn't take 12 hours to go back and have someone change that and make it look the way you want it. No, it's done like that. That's part of how, the value of a truly cloud-based collaborative environment that allows for real computational, real generative design more than just the idea of a test fit. Like test fits are great. They're really, really important. But now you can have it real-time iteration, which takes you to that gardening idea instead of, here's the statue of David and you're going to be done with it at that point. Figure out the rest.
Yeah, it's a really key component that you feed it the parameters. So it doesn't even know the parameters, right? It doesn't know what you know or what you want. It'll never know that, right? Not until we're long gone. But it can get to opportunities faster. But of those 10 that come back, guaranteed 4 of them, you're like, yeah, nobody ever do that. So let's get rid of those. Now we're down to 6, and we've done this in minutes.
Yeah, but
what used to take weeks.
Yeah, but what if the we'll never do that was informed by the fact that your model is looking at, literally every building that's ever been built in the same way. Like it's not going to be like, that's insane. I don't want a window that's shaped like an egg. I want, this. It's going to know like more.
So when I say these four, meaning we will never do that as a team. Like this is just, these are 4 that are just, we for whatever reason, we agree we don't want those.
I'm just making the argument that those 4 will be very difficult to decide from. You're going to be like, damn, I like them all.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Which you might be introducing a whole new set of problems on.
Yes,
hey, here's 10 opportunities, and we're really great at getting along, aren't we?
It's process theory. At the end of the day, you fix something, and something else is gonna bottleneck. That's the way it goes.